Hello, good morning, friends. Very warm welcome to a discussion of US election and markets with SD. मैं हूं SD Shananda Das, multi-asset trading and investment specialist. Kindly note before you proceed that I do not recommend following anybody else's trade and then you do the trade. मतलब किसी का सुन के ट्रेड करना बिल्कुल सही बात नहीं है, इंक्लूडिंग मी. मैं हमेशा हर ट्रेड में पैसा नहीं बनाता. For example, in this video, I'm going to discuss some of my the trades that are not going so well and also the trades which are going so well. So let's start off. First of all, हम लोग देखने वाले first I'm going to take a look at the situation of US election. 5 तारीख election था and results are already coming out. Today is 6th of November 2024 and the results are coming out. Let me increase the size so that you all can visualize it. So here, basically, I can see that as expected, President Trump is leading, and I personally expect President Trump to win the election. However, this election was full of uncertainty से भरा हुआ था ये इलेक्शन. तो कोई भी जीत सकता है. Some of the trades मैं लिया हूं regarding if Trump wins. Some few trades I've taken if Harris wins, and Harris win trade is not doing well so far as Trump is leading. Betting odds are hinting at Trump victory. The number जो चाहिए Harris या Trump को 270 is the magic number. Trump is already at 232 and Harris at 188. So far, it looks like Trump could be winning the night and will become the next president of the United States. So far, Indiana, Kentucky, South Carolina has gone to Trump, whereas Vermont, from where Senator Bernie Sanders is from, that has gone to Kamala Harris. In the next round, we can see significant Florida. Florida fully went into Trump. It is no longer a battleground state. And Pennsylvania, the battleground state, means where anybody can win, swing state kind of. Pennsylvania, Trump is so far leading, though the race is not yet been called because it's a battleground state. Battleground state in Georgia, Trump is leading with 91% vote in. Looks like Georgia will go to Donald Trump, whereas Virginia, 81% vote in. Harris is leading. Could be Virginia, another swing state, go to Harris. Michigan in another swing state, very early, small vote has come in, 37%. So far, Trump is leading, but Michigan can later on in the night, it can flip, but it's so far looking like Trump is going to win. New Hampshire, so far 54% vote is in, another swing state. And here Harris is leading, and if she can keep on the lead, looks like New Hampshire from the battleground swing state will go to Harris. Wisconsin, few votes are in. So far, it's not clear who will win. 68% vote in. Trump is leading. Arizona, it is almost head-to-head battle. 51% vote in. Both are Harris and Trump almost tied in New Hampshire. Whereas another battleground state, New Mexico, is where Harris is leading. Minnesota is where Harris is leading. New Mexico, 79% votes in. Looks like New Mexico will go to Harris. And Minnesota, it's still a tough battle, but if it continues like this, looks like Minnesota will also go to Harris. Yet to we are get to any information regarding Nevada. Hawaii, Alaska, these are not yet clear so far. Currently, it is 232 for Trump, 188 for Harris and Walz. So Trump Vance team so far leading, looks like they will be the leader tonight. And interesting things are happening as well in the Senate as well as in the House. Senate Republican has picked up 2 more seats. So looks more like a red wave rather than blue wave. So Senate will go Republican, no doubt about that. Senate, it's becoming quite clear that Republican will keep on the lead, whereas House of Representatives is still under battle. House of Representatives, Republican has picked up 2 seats where Democrats have lost 2 seats. So far it's going on. Now let's by evening I'm expecting that we'll get the result by evening India time. It will be more clear who is going to win. And let's now look at the trades. One trade that I'm in, that is Tesla. Tesla, I'm expecting to do very well as Trump, if Trump is going to get elected, I'm expecting Tesla to do very well. I'm bullish on US equities as well. I can see S&P, Dow, Nasdaq. They are reversing the loss and significantly gaining grounds. So S&P, Dow, Nasdaq, these are bullish. It's a bullish Trump trade. So if Trump comes, these are significantly going higher. That is what we are seeing. However, एक चीज याद रखिएगा कि यूएस का फेडरल रिजर्व का डिसीजन आ रहा है, which is, I'm not saying that it will be a ground shattering event, but with such an event coming up, market आपको trap कर सकता है in certain side. So ये overall एक bullish mood दिख रहा है market में. Asian market, some of them are up, whereas China is down, Hong Kong is down. Probably the tariff, if Trump wins, there will be tariff on China, more tariff on China, Hong Kong. So their stocks are taking a major hit. So this is not a surprise that they are getting hit, but overall mood has been quite positive. If we look at, say, India Nifty is coming back. Let's look at, let me hide the line chart. It's trying to make a comeback. Background has turned yellow for the past 2 days in daily chart. 125 minutes chart, I think we got a buy signal in Nifty, but I'll not jump to buy right now. It's very volatile. I'll wait for this high to clear out to think about any positive trade right now. Overall, मैं इसको light maintain करूंगा. Now, those trade which are not going so well these two were more Harris focused. Ki by chance, if Harris wins, I need to protect my portfolio. I have taken long position in VIX. That is volatility. Volatility goes up, but this trade is not doing so well for me. It may change direction as we progress further. It may increase volatility, but so far volatility is down. I was expecting significant increase in volatility if Harris wins. So this trade of mine is not going so well, whereas the equity long positions are going so well. Another trade that is not going so well for me is the long euro trade. Euro has taken a major beating today. It was a complete reversal. Euro had shown a buy signal initially, but it was a complete reversal. It could have happened. Once again, if Harris won, so I would have, dollar would have fallen sharply and this euro would have gone significantly higher. But now with this kind of situation and dollar has come back with a vengeance, kind of strong move we have seen in the dollar. What's driving the US dollar higher, if we look at, is basically the interest rates. In previous video, I discussed there is a risk that interest rates will go up if Trump wins. One reason is Fed will be more hawkish if Trump wins. Second of all, Trump is expected to increase the US deficit. So focusing on that, overall level of interest rates are going up. And as interest rates have reversed the course, the dollar is getting bid. Dollar is getting very well bid. And as dollar is getting bid, the pressure is coming on gold, silver. However, gold has not fallen significantly. जो दिखा रहा है gold कितना strong है. Gold itself is very strong, but currently looks like कि gold एक bigger correction दे सकता है. डॉलर हैज बीन स्ट्रॉन्ग, इट्स लुकिंग अ बिट हेवी, सेंटिमेंट एक तरफ स्ट्रेच्ड है गोल्ड में कि गोल्ड बुलिश सेंटिमेंट एकदम स्ट्रेच्ड होके बैठा हुआ है गोल्ड में. सो वी कैन सी अ सडन शार्प मूवमेंट टू द गोल्ड. Dollar up, sentiment stretch, so this can be a trigger for further sell off in gold. What's interesting to me is the silver. Silver is trying to break lower, so this unless this high, the last swing high is taken out, I think the pressure will remain on silver as the day progress further. Some of the euro currency is basically licking its wounds and trying to bounce back from the initial sell-off. And as euro is bouncing back, so is the dollar is falling and gold silver is getting some of the benefits. The gold silver, so I'm not very bullish right now in gold silver, so it's could be bearish, but I'll not hold in either side. I'll not hold any kind of significant position, or I'll go for low volatility. For example, मेरा जो यूरो ट्रेड जो खराब जा रहा है, अगर ये मैं डेरिवेटिव में लिया होता, it would have been a very big loss. But it is a currency ETF trade, exchange traded fund. So currency ETF trade, even if it's a big drop, I don't expect it to be a massive loss because it will be just 1.3% down. So that means a low volatility participation tha mere taraf se euro ke upar, but looks like it is definitely not working out. So when the market opens up in the evening, if this is the situation, I'll be taking loss in euro ETF. Dollar ETF I had earned previously, but as this one dropped, I was skeptical. I exited the dollar positions. But today with Trump coming back and dollar is significantly going higher. What I think about the market is, I have been very clear. Some those who have been following me know that I have been focused on this recession trade. Recession is a possibility, and with interest rates going up, a long-term interest rate जो US में ऊपर के तरफ जा रहा है, this will add pressure on emerging market companies like Adani, Ambani's who have high level of dollar debt. Kindly note, Ambani, Adani, these are examples, but many companies in India and in emerging markets hold a lot of dollar-based debt. And as interest rate goes up, dollar index is facing strong movement up. USD INR falling towards record lows, so the pressure is building up on those companies for their refinancing need. ये जो उनका लोन रिफाइनेंस करना पड़ेगा, it will be at a much higher cost now compared to previously when they taken the loan during COVID-19. COVID-19 में अगर Reliance had paid around 2% say interest rate, for example, currently to give you a perspective दे रहा हूं कि 2% अगर COVID में it has paid around, so currently it is paying around 7% if it has to refinance the loan. So significant increase in the level of cost. So though Trump coming back is bullish for equities, it could be concentrated to US equities, whereas emerging market equities face regular downside pressure. So that's, I think, the overall look of the market. Overall, I think it's coming back. Equities are benefiting. Nifty is coming back. But overall, I think this interest rates going up. I'll not be super bullish right now in equities. Some specific equity I'm interested in, like Zoom. This trade is so far going well. I expect it to do even well, even better. Zoom is going record, and I expect Tesla to do also very well, as well as Trump का जो new media company है, that is Trump Media, DJT and Technology Group. I think this one, after this correction, as if Trump wins, this one will significantly move higher. It has moved higher as Trump was expected to win. Now, if he wins, once again, his digital media company group could go up significantly. And along with that, US equities and others likely to up. So this week, it will be for me more watchful कि क्या चल रहा है underlying market rather than jumping into positions. So that's all, friends. I think we have covered broadly overall the market. I hope this discussion was helpful to you. Agar help hua, don't forget to give a like and thumbs up. All the best from my side. And as always, happy trading.